Hi investors, my name is Samson Itoje, the Lagos property consultant. Today I'll be discussing with you how to win and make a lot of profit from Lagos real estate investing. However, before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below, then a bell will appear. Click the bell and select all so that you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I drop a video in this channel that will help you to invest profitably in Lagos real estate. Now, let's get started. How do you make the most money from Lagos real estate? How do you win with Lagos real estate investing? The answer is this: do not wait to buy. Instead, buy and wait. The truth is this: Lagos properties increase in price year after year at an average of about 15 to 30% growth in price year after year. That means that if you have an opportunity to buy a property today but did not buy and then buy in 2 years time or 3 years time, you'll be paying far more than you would have paid if you had bought it today. Therefore, if you want to make a lot of money from Lagos real estate investing, it is better to buy today, right now, within the next 2 or 3 weeks, and then wait, cross your legs, and watch as the price rise over time so that you'll be earning money as the price is growing. Imagine that you bought a plot of land for say 3.6 million naira and the price grows to 7.2 million naira. It means that you have doubled your money. Your investment has grown by 100%. If you buy a plot of land for 800,000 naira and the price grows to 1.6 million naira, it means that your investment has grown, or your money has grown by 100%. You have doubled your money. And if you hold that plot of land for 8 to 12 years, there's the potential that your 800,000 naira can grow by 10 times to 8 million naira. Now, compare that first scenario with this other scenario where this person hears about this estate where a plot of land sells for 800,000 naira. And then the person says to himself, oh, that place is too far. Or, oh, that area is not developed yet. It's a developing area. I want an area that is fully developed. And so he did not buy. But then 10 years later, he decides, oh, this area is open and let me buy. And then he buys that same location for 8 million naira. Who has made money? It is the person that bought it at 800,000 naira per plot. Bottom line, you make more money in real estate when you take advantage of investment opportunities that are presented to you as soon as you have done your due diligence. So you hear about an investment opportunity, the price is right, and then you begin to do your due diligence. Within 2 or 3 weeks, you have done your due diligence. You are sure that this property is genuine property with genuine title. Go ahead and pay for it. Don't wait and wait and wait and procrastinate until the price begins to go up and up and up until you can no longer invest in that area. So if you want to make the most money from real estate, don't wait to buy. Buy and wait for the price to rise and rise until you are in a position where you can sell it for as much as 10 times the price at which you bought the property. And once you have made that sale, maybe you sell the property in 10 years time, in 12 years time, don't just spend all the money on liabilities. Instead, take part of that money, buy into another property while you keep the remaining one for taking care of your retirement needs. Okay, so do not wait to buy property, buy and wait. Now, to drive the point home, I'll give you a very simple example. Okay, this is something that actually happened. A few years ago, I had a client who wanted to invest in Amen Estate Phase 2 located in Bejuleki, Lagos. She wanted to buy a plot of land. By the time she came to me to inquire about this estate, the land was selling for 12 million naira per plot. And she screamed, 12 million? I heard about it when it was selling for 10 million naira per plot. Okay, I said, why didn't you invest then? Okay, no problem. You had some challenges there. You could not invest then when it was 10 million naira. But now it's selling for 12 million naira. You can invest now. She said, okay, I'll get back to you. I said, should I call you back? She said, no, I'll get back to you when I'm ready. I said, okay, no problem. And then about a year later, she now called me that she's ready now. Guess what? The price of a plot of land in Amen Estate Phase 2 at the time she called me back that she was ready had risen from 12 million to 15 million naira. She said, 3 million has entered. I said, yes, it has entered though. Are you ready to invest? Now, why don't you take advantage of this opportunity now? Make an initial deposit of 20% and then you pay the balance over time. She says, okay, I'll get back to you. Guess what? The price then went to 17 million and now it's about to go to 20 million naira per plot. Now, think about people who bought into that estate. In fact, some people bought into Amen Estate Phase 2 when a plot of land was selling for 8 million naira. Now it's selling for about 20 million naira. Those people have doubled their investment. Their money has grown by 100%. Get the point? So do not wait to invest. Do not say, oh, I don't have the money now. Let me wait until I get the money. By the time you get the money, the price would have gone up. And then you are waiting again to get the money again for the new price. The price would have gone up again. So what is the solution? Do not wait to buy real estate. Instead, buy real estate and wait. So this is the strategy. When you have an opportunity to invest and you see that you do not have money for that particular property, what should you do? There are two options available. If you do not have the money to pay at once for the property, then take advantage of a flexible payment option and then make an initial deposit and then pay the balance over a period of, say, 6 months to 1 year or even 18 months. However, if the price of the property is such that you cannot afford to pay even over 18 months period, then go for a property with a lower price. For example, we have an estate in Bejuleki selling for 3.6 million naira per plot. We have another estate in Bejuleki selling for 8 million naira per plot. We also have another estate in Bejuleki selling for 17.2 million naira per plot. So look at the price range. Why are the prices different? It is because the estates are in different locations in Bejuleki, Lagos. Some areas are prime areas, some areas are not too developed yet, so their prices are lower. Now you have heard about these 3 estates. You now decide that you want to buy. Unfortunately, you cannot afford 17.2 million naira land. You cannot afford 8 million naira land. You cannot afford 3.6 million naira land. So what do? You have been given 3 options. You cannot afford to buy them. Your money is not enough. What should you do? Should you just give up and say, okay, let me begin to gather the money until I can buy it. Let me wait until I'm able to gather all the money before I proceed to invest. That's a dangerous approach because by the time you are ready, the price would have maybe doubled or tripled. So right now, you have an opportunity to invest. I'm giving you an opportunity to invest in Lagos real estate. Now, if you cannot afford the price I've called, then go for something lower. We have an estate, dry land, flat land on a major road in Ekpe, Lagos, and the plot of land there sells for 800,000 naira. So if you cannot afford 17.2 million naira, you cannot afford 8 million naira, you cannot afford 3.6 million naira, you can afford 800,000 naira per plot. So take advantage of it now, buy now, and wait. That estate that is selling for 800,000 naira per plot at this time, in 10 years' time, will probably be selling for 8 million naira per plot. So even if you cannot invest in highbrow area where prices are high, you can invest in developing areas where prices are low. And eventually those developing areas will eventually open up and become highbrow area in the future. So do not waste time, do not procrastinate, do not delay. Invest in real estate right now that you have been given the opportunity. Buy what you can afford. And if you cannot pay the entire price at once, take advantage of our flexible payment options. Pay a small initial deposit and pay the balance over a period of time. Even if you don't have the money to pay as initial deposit, you can go to your bank or call your account officer, get a personal loan, and use that personal loan to fund your real estate investment. And then you can begin to pay up that personal loan slowly over time. Bottom line, you have already invested in real estate, and then you can cross your legs and watch as the price grows and as your money grows. Please take advantage of this opportunity. Do not wait to buy real estate. Instead, buy real estate, cross your legs and wait and see as your investment grow year on year over time. My number is on the screen. Call me so I can lay out the options that are available to you so that you can take advantage of the opportunity and invest now. Not next year, not 5 years time. Invest now to grow your net worth so that you can retire financially independent. Expecting your call. And if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell and select all so that you not miss any episode of this real estate investment guide so that you can invest profitably in Lagos real estate. Expecting your call. Have a wonderful day.